Hello guys, today we're gonna film a unique unboxing video. This is an e-bike Rundeer Hummer. This is one of the best e-bike on the market right now. That's why I've been waiting for so long to get it here. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside of this box and take a ride on the super e-bike. Okay, let's open it up. I just get bike from the box. It really looks cool, and what I want to tell you that the box and the whole bike was super secured with the protective screens, so preventing the bike from the scratches during the transportation, which is super nice. Alright, in the separate box we got the manual, we got all Allen tools and hardware to assemble the bike, all keys over here. It goes with the 2 keys, and we got a pair of pedals and a charger. Okay guys, I just installed the pedals. It was super easy. I just used the wrench and tied it up. Right now I'm gonna install the front part, the wheel and the steering wheel. Then easily use the special key just to tighten it up. Simple. I'm almost finished with assembling. As you can see, everything is super easy and nice. You can adjust almost every part of this e-bike. So your seat can go up and down as you wish. To assemble the front wheel, you just need to put the 2 screws and tighten it up. The only thing you need to be careful is to put the braking pad right inside of the circuit. Then in the kit you will find a special key that you can tighten it up. Okay, we're almost done with assembling. The last part is a special protective cover on the front wheel. So the whole unboxing process and assembling process took me less than 20 minutes. Now I'm super excited to get started riding with this bike. Okay, let's start with the battery. So over here on this part of the bike, you got the inlet where you can charge your battery from the electricity power circuit. To get your battery out and charge it at home inside, you just simply press the button and open it up. Then you just twist your bike. Just turn the key to unlock position, take out the key, and simply take your battery out. Easy to uninstall and install back. When you charge your battery, just simply put it in. Use your key to lock the battery. When you put the battery, just twist your bike back, and it's ready to run.